So today we got this Farmall H here. It says H. Gonna clean out the carburetor. It runs rough when you throttle up, or the governor tries to keep the engine running faster. So hopefully we fix it. First we'll check the gas flow, see if it gets in there okay. Here's a screen you hear people talk about. It's got it 70 some years old. Seems okay. Looks like gas. A little gasket on there still, I guess. Where did I put that? Look at this up a little. It's a little long. Supposed to have a metal gas line. Probably rusted out 30 years ago. Broke, I guess. This tractor sat in the swamp for 5 years and rusted out. Yeah, float. That bounces around pretty good. Shuts the gas right off too. I've tested that. Here's the bottom of the carburetor. The main jet in there. It had some crud in there. So I stuck a little drill bit and tried to file it out with that a little bit. So the gas runs in here. The float shuts it off. Keeps the level up at some point. And it goes down. The gas runs out through there, basically out where this hole is, and then there's this jet we looked at that meters the flow of the gas, being sucked through the venturi. There's your venturi, and this is the mixture, high-speed mixture adjustment. Where have we got this thing set? Half, 1, half, 2, 2.5. See how that works. This is the idle speed adjustment for the low speed circuit. See when the choke is on, I guess it got nothing to do with the choke. But when the throttle is in slow, this is shut off, so all the air is sucked up through here. Is that right? Maybe it's right. At any rate, that's where the slow speed gas comes through. I guess the air can come through these passages here. So like I said, I drilled out the holes, made them a little bigger, about the same dimension as the Super H. Let's see. So that just sits in there. It will go in backwards. Well, it fits better like this. It sits flush. That's how it's supposed to be. Got my reused gasket. That only goes one way. Got these old-timey flathead screws. Well, I bet I got this on the wrong side of the fuel line. un-over tighten this again. Pretty simple, only goes one way. Put some screws in there to get that gasket lined up. Alright, parse the gate. There's just the tricky one in here. That's not going to work. The old stubber. See right down there. Screwdrivers. The last thing I bought at Sears. Notice how it's stubby, but it's like smaller than they used to make them. The whole screwdriver set was 15-20% smaller than normal ones. Even a good old number 2. Alright. Everything's tight now. This is the choke rod. Cheesy Harbor Freight cotter pins. Well, that was pretty good. Alright, over here. Some good pitting on the valve cover. That's good. Squeeze that piece of cork. This blue stuff is the liquid gasket. The original one that came with the kit leaked, so now it doesn't. Same with the thermostat. Water pump's leaking a little. I got to tighten up the nut up in here. I reckon I can do that right now. Just a little drip down in there. Was it 15/16? Why is it loose every time?